Okay, this is the M15A4. This video is really for a British fanboy who's going to be going airsofting, like me, in a couple of months. So, this is what you get. You get this beautiful weapon here, and what we'll do is we'll load some BBs into this thing. At the moment I'm still purchasing kit. I intend to get a strap and some clothing so I don't look out of place when I go airsofting. This magazine holds about 330 rounds, which you can deplete in around about 20 seconds really, because I think the fire rate is about between 700 and 900 BBs per minute, so it's quite fast. There we go. So reload it. It's a beautiful looking weapon, that. Okay. Let's go shoot some. Okay, we've got two modes for this, safety. We've got semi-automatic and full automatic. So we set it first to semi. And then automatic. So to view the target. We'll see how much we're going to operate a bit harder. Okay, you ready? Yeah. Okay. Okay, now we'll do the old apple. Okay. Okay. Alright. That's the M15A4. And that's the whole mag. 330 BBs gone in, I don't know what that was, probably about 20-25 seconds. Okay. I hope this helps. Cheers.